If you've got a patio or balcony that just feels kind of unfinished, this is one of those simple upgrades that actually makes a noticeable difference. These are the Prime Zone interlocking deck tiles. And honestly, the biggest thing here is how easy they are to set up. You just snap them together by hand, there's no tools, and no complicated steps. It's one of those things where you can just start laying them down and see the space really come together pretty quickly. And if you're working around edges or corners, you could trim them to fit, which helps it look more intentional. They're made from a solid plastic material, so you don't have to deal with the usual maintenance that comes with wood. You're not worrying about sealing or water damage. If it rains or you're using them near a pool, the water just drains through the bottom and they dry out pretty fast. The surface has a wood style look, but it's actually designed to give you some grip. So even when it's wet, it doesn't feel slippery. And once they're locked in, they stay in place pretty well, which is important if you're walking on them a lot. I'd see these working really well if you have plain concrete outside and want to clean it up a bit, or even for something like a balcony where you just want it to feel a little more finished without doing anything permanent. Overall, it's just a straightforward, low effort way to make a space look better without turning it into a big project.